Welcome to the channel. Started a few weeks ago, and the crazy thing is that so far the one video which got most new subscribers was a super short one, I believe 7 seconds, and all I basically did was asking people to follow if they like it. Or didn't I? I would have to check. But yeah, 7 seconds, you can't say so much. Anyways, thanks for watching so far. And yeah, feel free to follow. Thank you. And by the way, in the background you see the sunset. Now we're on 58 seconds. Should I keep going? What do you believe is the best length for a short? I guess most shorts are just about 30 to 60 seconds. But then if you go higher, you probably just want to go up to close to 3 minutes. I don't know, we'll find out. Anyways, the sun is gonna come again. Looks quite amazing. I'm really happy about the sunny weather because until about 3 p.m. it was super cloudy, and I actually thought that it would stay like that for the rest of the day. And yeah, just spontaneously drove to this place here. It's really calm. Seem to be just about the only one here. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching so far. Let me know what you think, and follow the channel for more. Press the like button if you enjoyed it, and see you soon in the next video or in a stream. Bye bye.